Here's my nice little unit. I had a couple weeks now. It is very beautiful, not big. Has the energy sticker on there. I'm not sure about this. I have to wait for my electricity bill. But the display is easy to read. I'll have to put a basket on top, otherwise my cats sit on it. Easy to read, easy to manually work with. I went from 86 to 74 in less than an hour in the Texas heat. My main AC unit had died, so I got this one. Beautiful and sleek. Here's the back. There is two filters, one here, one there. They come out very easy, and you can rinse them underwater, dry them, and put them back in. The hose screws in clockwise into this holder, and this slides in easy. Make sure you do this correct so you don't have no hot air leaking. The hose is pretty long, and it goes out into the window. This is the window set that comes with it. It's easy adjustable. I use duct tape all around to make sure I have a good seal. I did have to cut about 4 inches off because it was too big, which is easy with a hacksaw. My window is about 34 inches. This unit is very nice, and it's also not very loud. Let me turn it on for you. You hear it? See? Not loud at all. And this is on the fan motor right now. I don't need it today because it is a cool day. Very nice unit. I highly recommend it.
This little unit, it really does work. I'm currently having it in our garage.